Hi, lambs. This is Miss Celeste. How are you today? I wanted to read a story to you, a story about germs. And I know you've been studying and learning about germs. We learned about them in school, and I know you've been talking about them at home with your family. And I know you understand them somewhat and how important it is to keep our hands clean, wash them, to sneeze or cough into a tissue or into our elbows, and to not pass germs around to other people. And hopefully we won't get bad germs from them. But this book is kind of a cute book to tell you about germs, and I hope you like it. The name of the book is I Know How We Fight Germs, and the author is Kate Roman, and the illustrator is Catherine McEwen. Now this little guy here wants to fight all these bad germs that you see. And he's got his sword, and he's ready to be the superhero and kill the germs. But first, he wants to talk more to his mom about germs. Achoo! Sam sneezed. A huge sneeze. So big that it came clear out here, all the germs, and the wind of the sneeze was so big that even the plant and the flowers and the leaves of the plant were blowing sideways, and the cat decided to run. Sam, said Mom, that's gross. Don't you have a tissue? And she pulled one out of her pocket and wiped his nose. Thanks, said Sam, and he sneezed again. Achoo! You have a cold, said Mom. This is Mom's garden down here. But she stopped working in her garden, planting the seeds and all, to go over and help Sam with his stuffy nose and sneezing into a tissue instead of not having anything at all to sneeze into. I know, said Sam, and I know why colds make me sneeze. When I sneeze, I'm blowing cold germs out of my body. You certainly are, said Mom. That's how cold germs spread to other people and why you need to catch your sneeze in a tissue. If someone else breathes in your cold germs, they might get a cold too. Oh, said Sam, is that how I got this cold? Probably, said Mom. I suppose you caught it from someone at school. And Mom is thinking about when Sam was with his friends at school singing a song, and this little girl made a big sneeze and didn't cover with the tissue, and all the germs came out like that. We study germs at school, said Sam. My teacher said you can sneeze them a really long way. She said you can sneeze them as far as 10 yards. That is a long way, said Mom. That's as far as 3 elephants standing in a line. Sam giggled. Look at that long line of elephants. Your germs can go clear from here all the way this far over to here, and look at the elephant sneezes, and look, it blows the plants over, it blows the wheelbarrow and the cat over. That is a long way of sneezing. Sam laughed about that though, and he said, I wouldn't like to be near an elephant when it sneezed. Achoo! Sam peered at his tissue. He had sneezed into it and asked his mom, You can't see germs, can you? No, said Mom. They're too tiny. Even the biggest ones are so small you could fit hundreds of thousands of them on the tip of your thumb. You can see germs only if you look at them under a microscope. Sam sniffed. I bet I've got millions of germs inside of me. Billions, said Mom, but not all germs make us sick, and when they do, our bodies try to fight them off. Scientists also look at the germs under a microscope to see if they can understand them better and know what we can do to make ourselves be safe from germs. So Mom wants to tell Sam now how his body helps to fight off germs. I know, said Sam, that I've got something in my blood that fights germs. Here he is, ready to fight those germs. And that's right, said Mom. About half your blood is water. But there are also lots of other things. Water, red blood cells, white blood cells, and then there are parts of cells called platelets too. So all of these things, water, red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and blood, help to fight off germs. Of course, there are some other things Mom wanted to let him know that fight off germs. And she told him about sleeping. And she told him that to sleep and get many good hours of sleep helps our body to fight off bad germs. She also told him that eating well helps to fight bad germs. And she also told him how eating things that are sugary can kill good germs. And so we don't want to eat a lot of sugar, but we want to eat the things that will fight the germs, like good vegetables like broccoli and zucchini and spinach and carrots, and good fruit like raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, oranges, and lambs. You know what they have in them to fight off bad germs. Can you tell me? You're right, antioxidants. So remember, besides the water, the red blood cells, the white blood cells, the platelets, and the blood helping our bodies to fight germs, we also have good food and many hours of sleep that help us fight germs. So when Mom and Dad say it's time to go to bed, know it's because they want you to stay well and not get bad germs and be sick. I will try really hard, Mom, to eat well and to sleep and take care of my body so I can fight germs. And Mom said, that's right. And then all of a sudden, achoo! Mom sneezed. Oh my gosh, look at her sneeze is going clear down to the ground. What did she not do? Think about it. Maybe you can tell if there's someone there with you right now, Mom, Dad, sister, brother. What do you think Mom did not do? You're right. She didn't use a tissue or her elbow, did she? She sneezed, a huge sneeze. Mom, said Sam, that's gross. Don't you have a tissue? So now Sam is helping his mom learn and remember what to do to keep the bad germs away. Okay, so that's our story for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you remember to be safe, to cough or sneeze into a tissue or into your elbow if you have to, and remember to get good sleep, and remember to eat good food and stay away from the bad food. And most importantly, remember to keep washing your hands. Remember the song we learned at school about washing our hands? Let's try it. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands when we come to school. Or, this is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands when we are at home. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands whenever we sneeze or cough. This is the way we wash our hands. Wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands. And do it very well, and the germs will stay away. Bye, Lammies. See you next time.